So we have generated the SOP, the checklist, and the risks from a meeting transcript. Nodes checkerhouses.com. We have standalone nodes that can work as standalone applications on Docker or on server, but they also have an API layer for your AI agentic workflow. You can plug it in a discovery schema route and an execute route for your agent to work with those nodes. Meeting notes SOP generator. So you had your meeting, you got the transcript, but you want to do more with this transcript now. You want to generate an SOP. You want a checklist, you want the risks. So here we have the transcript that is already pasted. I did a request to a Hugging Face model. I'm using here DeepSeek R1. I got the answer, the SOP, purpose, scope, roles, steps. And after we got the checklist and the risks, you can download it. So here you can see the structure, checklist, different items. So it's consumable by an agent. The context is not too long. It's very concise and efficient. Okay, SOP, scope, roles, steps, actionable items for the checklist, and the risks, maximum just 3 risks, just to be small and useful. We have the providers. Here I'm using DeepSeek R1 from Hugging Face. I'm using also GPT OSS 120 from Grok, and I'm using Gemini 3 Flash Preview. For accessibility, there is also a light mode. We'll be running it on Docker this time. API discovery. If you want to plug it to your AI agent, you run it on Docker. Your AI agent is going to call this route, schema route. It's going to get the schema. I will be able to work from that and send the transcript and know what to expect in return. That's what you get in return of the schema and the safe Docker. So Docker is not running using the root, it's using your own ID, and you'll get also encryption keys. The README is going to tell you how to set up everything. It's well documented. Nodes checkerhouses.com. Join free community Checkerhouse Studio. Get GitHub access for premium members and exclusive videos. I'll see you in the next.